Welcome to Part 3 Tips and Tricks in Bambu Studio, the Shortcut Edition. Up first is selecting your object's filament color. If you have more than one AMS, in this case I have 2, so we have 8 colors loaded, you simply select your object and you can select 1 through 8 to select the color. Number 2 on the list is a slice plate shortcut. For Windows it is Control-R and for Mac it is Command-R. Simply select your build plate and slice. Number 3 on the list is a quick way to get to the default view, and that is Control-0 for Windows and Command-0 for Mac. Number 4 is auto-arranging your objects. That is Shift-A on both Windows and Mac. Number 5 on our list is the print plate. Control-Shift-G for Windows, Shift-Command-G for your Mac. Our last shortcut in this video, at number 6, is Auto Orientate Objects, and that is Shift-R for Windows and Mac. I hope these quick shortcuts help your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.